Hi everyone. Many health experts believe that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Today in Fresh Conversations, I'm going to show you how to make overnight oatmeal. This recipe will help you get the nutrition you need and will be waiting for you when you get up in the morning. So let's get started. These overnight oats are completely delicious and are great for you. They're high in fiber, the kind of fiber that keeps your heart healthy, and they're loaded with protein, calcium, vitamin D, and lots of other nutrients you need for best health. What I really love about this recipe is that it all gets put together the night before. And in the morning, you can eat it as is or heat it up, whatever suits you. This recipe is very simple. I'm using some whole grain oats, some chia seeds, some non-fat Greek yogurt, a little bit of milk, and this could be a plant-based milk or dairy milk. And I'm gonna top our overnight oats with some fresh blueberries, some almonds, and a little bit of lemon zest. Let's put this together. So I've let my overnight oats sit for 24 hours and I put some toppings on them. This one has about a tablespoon of peanut butter, some raisins, and in the morning or when I'm ready to eat this, I'm just going to slice some fresh banana right on top. And the second one has some strawberries and some pumpkin seeds and a little dash of almonds. And the third one has some fresh blueberries, almonds, and to top that off, I'm just going to grate a little bit of lemon zest right on top of there. Wow, I'm ready to eat any of these. So easy and so good. So here they are. Don't these look good? What kind of fruits or vegetables would you add to your overnight oats? I hope you enjoy this easy, healthy recipe. Thanks so much for watching and for being part of Fresh Conversations.